Iqalile eRustenburg eNorthwest ingqungquthela yamashumi amabili nane yaminyaka yonke esingethwe ngumkhandlu wezokwelapha ezwenikazi Africa i-Association of Medical Councils of Africa. Ekhuluma osukwini lwayo lwesibili ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela Joe Phahla uthi enye yezingqinamba ezibhekene nomkhakha wezempilo ezwenikazi ngokufuduka kodokotela sebemkantshubomvu besuka endaweni ezisemadolobheni belibhekise endaweni ezisemakhaya.
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uthi ingqinamba enkulu ekhungethe umkhakha wezempilo ezwenikazi Africa ukuthi iningi lodokotela bamkantshubomvu abafuna ukusebenzela indawo zasemakhaya bafuna ukufudukela emadolobheni.
Our highly qualified professionals prefer to, as I've touched on earlier on, to be in the urban areas because of reasons already touched on, but also within countries as well, we struggle in terms of retaining. You know, it's not only the issue of training, but also in terms of retention.
uDokotela uPhahla uthi ke kumele kusetshenziswe ubuchwepheshe besimanje ukusabalalisa ulwazi oluthinta ezempilo ezwenikazi Africa.
What is important is that from our side as the health professionals and the health providers, we must make more effective use of the technology.
Kusenjalo esinye seyithunywa ezethamele lengqungquthela uJosephine Makhutuya sithi kungamampunge ukuthi kunabantu baseZimbabwe abeza la eNingizimu Afrika ngoba bezofuna usizo lozokwelashwa. Besikhuluma nomuthuli wehlelo iMorning Live namhlanje kuseni.
People in Harare don't travel to South Africa to seek medical care. They don't.
Yeah, they do.
Don't.
They do. Do you not know that?
We are not aware of that because
Okay,
we do have
okay.
hospitals in Zimbabwe.
uJosephine Makhutuya uthi ke eZimbabwe baningi abodokotela bawongoti bezifo ezihlukene.
We do have specialists, and some of our specialists were trained in UK. Even in Zimbabwe, we do have training programs. We've also amended our training program to meet the situation.
Uthi ke kuyamxaka futhi kuyamangaza ukuthi kunabantu abasacwasana ngokubuhlanga isiguli noma ngabe sivela kuliphizwe futhi siyakudinga ukwelashwa.
As a professional, you're not supposed to discriminate patients. Are you supposed to discriminate? No, you are not supposed. That's a Hippocratic oath.
Lengqungquthela ibanjelwe Northwest kanti ibanjwe ngaphansi kwesiqubulo esithi the health workforce of the future and its regulation kanti izodonsa izinsuku ezine. NginguCalvin Dludla weindaba ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
Umkhakha wezempilo ubhekene nezingqinamba eziningi. Enye yazo uhlelo lokucishwa ngokugagisi. Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela Joe Phahla umezele ngesibhedlela esithize ezingeke zicishelwe ugesi. Abezempilo bathi lokhu kufanele ngabe kwenzeka kuzona zonke izibhedlela.
We are having a problem ya load shedding. If a patient akatsena khona no asthmatic and we have to actually give nebulizing, we can't.
uDokotela Mutseke uphinde wacela kakhulu ukuntula kwemithi esibhedlela nasemtholampilo.
We are having a large number of our clients going off medical aids. So a large number are going off medical aids. They can't afford some of the chronic medications that they were on. So as GPs, some of them, they were our clients. We're referring them to the nearest clinics that they are having. As you are referring them to the nearest clinics, we are having a challenge. Patients are getting there. There's no chronic medication available.
Lezingqinamba seziholele ekutheni odokotela bengakwazi ukusebenza ngendlela. Kunethemba ke lokuthi lengqungquthela eqala namhlanje izodingida izingqinamba ezibhekene nezempilo.
We should be able to train health practitioners that are able to practice all over in Africa. Whether it's in Nigeria, in Zimbabwe, in Ghana, Burundi, we should be having health practitioners that are able to practice, and that can be made possible by the regulatory body.
I hope what we will be able to do is to not relive our past to the young professionals. I hope we'll be able to stop that we used to work long hours. This is what we went through because we are perpetuating oppression of the professions and deprofessionalization of the profession.